Hey, it's Angelo from Angelo's Edge again. Alright, here we are. What do we got here? We got a Lansky knife. Has nothing to do with what I'm unboxing today, but it's a knife channel, so I figured I should have a knife. So anyways, let's get this out of the way. So that's a knife video, so here's your knife. But what I'm really unboxing is the Pop Voice PV500 Plus lavalier microphone. My wife bought this for her channel, and I just stole it from her, and I'm still unboxing too. But she'll probably make her own unboxing. She could use mine as a template, see how what not to do. So anyway, so this is the box. So I'm used to unboxing knives, so here's what you get. I've already opened it. Well, my wife opened it since it's hers, and I already used it in the previous video. So I am actually gonna open it up, put it on my phone, which I'm filming with, and see if you can make it. What?
Open it from the bottom.
Oh, open up.
I didn't want to tear the tape.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear. You probably can't hear it now because it's just my phone microphone. But she said open it from the bottom. She didn't want to tear the tape right there. So it's hers. So I guess I gotta obey. So anyways, here we go. Oh, we got a box, a little what a jewelry bag. Pop Voice, nice. And open it up, and here's what comes in the package. A little dude. I don't know. It's like I don't know. I was just gonna say something, but probably shouldn't. It's like instructions. They got all this scanner code. Not preppy. What is that? He's like what's not urban. I don't know. Anyways, so that's what's in instructions. So here's what the money shot. The money shot right here. This is what you want. You got the clip to clip it on, and you got your tangle thing so it don't come tangled up. So here we go. I'm gonna plug it into my phone and see where the difference comes. So hopefully I'm clipping it to my, it might be a little bit weird sounding, but I'm clipping it to my shirt right now. Alright, right now, from now, I'm going to talk the same way I've been talking, so this is what it sounds like on. So, I guess from roughly just before 3 minutes. This is with the Pop Voice.
Do you hear a difference?
You can't hear the difference until you... Oh, my wife wants to know, can you hear the difference? Comment if you can. Put in a comment if you can hear the difference. So, I don't know if it made a difference yet, but on Amazon, she got it for $21.99 plus tax, and it's got 4 out of 5 stars with 3,483 people voting or rating it. So, like I said, we already tried it once, and it did seem to make a difference. So this will be a really cool video for me to watch, and probably other people. So there's the popvoiceus.com. The was that called a QR code or something?
You have it hooked to your shirt?
I have it hooked to my shirt right now. So they have all this support stuff.
Did you show them what the microphone looks like?
I had the microphone in my hand. Right now it's clipped to my shirt, but we could look at the actually really nice directions. What's to do with the red? No one has a red. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. 16 feet. Oh wait, there's different versions. This is, which product is this? This has, I don't know. This one, I don't know what this one is. There's different products. There's one product is 6 feet. This is probably what this is, a 6 feet one. There's a 16 feet one. And then there's a 12.8 feet one with different color microphones. This one probably is a 16 feet one because it has a black microphone. The one that's 6.5 feet has 6 feet. There's a product. There's a dual microphone kit too. That's probably like in stereo. And there's an extension. They have a lot of cool products. So definitely, if this worked, I think it worked. We tried it and it sounded good. But the proof would be in the pudding when you're watching this video, and you should be able to hear the difference in my voice. So, all right, there's a short little unboxing of the Pop Voice PV510 microphone. See you later. Bye.